Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and taking a first look at the Mophie 3-in-1 extendable charging stand with MagSafe technology. I have a couple of iPhones on standby here, my Apple Watch. I'm going to take this out of the box, set it up, and give it a test with a few of my favorite electronic devices. Let's go.
Oh boy. It's Tech Timmy time.
All right, so the box looks pretty well done from Mophie here. So fastest wireless charging. How fast is it? So you can charge up to 3 devices at once, which was really what I had wanted. I don't know why I have not owned one of these in the past. My girlfriend was kind enough to pick this up for me for my birthday, and I said, you know what, might as well do an unboxing as well, see if it will help anyone else out there. So I like the fact that the stand is extendable. I believe that means that it has a telescoping feature. I can charge my iPhone and my Apple Watch at the same time. I do not have the Apple earbuds, AirPods, iPods, whatever they're called. I don't have those. I use ALEXA buds instead, as well as my Beats headphones. So that is going to be a non-starter for me, but I'm curious as to whether or not I can actually throw my other phone down there as well. So I have an old iPhone 8 here, my iPhone 13 Pro Max, something with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and yeah, so like I said, box looks good. So in the box, 3-in-1 extendable stander, the wall adapter. I have my power brick here so we can give it a quick test really fast. So we have, yeah, so it is a telescoping stand. You'd think I would look at the box before I do the unboxing, but I really hadn't. And you can actually have dual orientation. I believe that will also display widgets on the iPhone if you have those set up as well, like a cool clock or whatever. I don't know if any of these phones are optimized for that, but I know that this will do it. Precise secure alignment. You can go portrait or landscape, as I had just said, and then the weighted base, which is good so the whole thing doesn't come crashing down on you. I get the bat knife, took it out, I have it on standby here, but it looks like this is going to open in a very straightforward manner. If I have it right, let's just see. Yep, so just like that, and in very Apple-esque fashion, we have a little pull tabby thing here. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. No, I guess not. Okay. I see there's another tab on the, oh yeah, okay, so here we go. Need to take the cover off first, and then now we can pull it out. And here we have our Mophie. Oh, it looks so cool. This is going to go great with my bedroom decor. I have a couple of Sobro smart side tables that are black, so this is going to look really sweet on top of them, and nothing else in the box, so we'll get rid of that for now. Ooh, ouch. Okay, so here is the Mophie stand. It feels super solid. Wow, this feels like a weapon, actually. The base is really heavy. Beautiful design, and so there's the telescoping feature right there. You know I wanted to try that, didn't you? So that's that. Very cool. Mophie loves me. Okay, all right, I'm feeling the love here. I'm starting to think I might be loving Mophie too. So, all right, let's just see how this goes here. And yeah, guys, super impressed. Not just the fact that my girlfriend bought this for me, and she'd probably strangle me if I said anything negative, but this just feels really, really solid. Solid steel, and super impressed. I don't know if those white things are, that might be the actual MagSafe. Let's just see. So not super powerful suction. I do wonder if there is a sticker there. No? Okay. So maybe that's all it is. But that will magnetize to the stand like so. So that's cool. And here, let me just show you. And you can go either direction. Not plugged in yet, which is why it's not charging. So let's pull everything else out of the box here and see what we got. Okay, so this must be our adapter. Power cable. There we go. And so you guys seem to be interested in wattage on these things. I always have a hard time reading these because of my poor eyesight, but let me just take a close look. So I believe that says 12 volts, 36 watts. So that's got some power to it, which you would expect. And then I like the fact that we have ample cord here, so I'm going to have to reach behind my side table in the bedroom, as I had said, to plug this in for now. I just have my handy dandy adapter over here, so we're going to put that on in there. And then I do see we have documentation in the box, so for sake of completeness, I like to look at that as well. That's just part of the packaging. And then well done on the packaging, Mophie. Good job, guys. I do a lot of unboxing videos, and this was really, really well done. Super easy to take out of the box and so forth. Documentation, not so much. So you guys follow my channel, you know what a stickler I am for this little itty bitty type. It does show, there's some diagrams here. It looks like a bunch of legalese pretty much. So super straightforward. Probably not going to need a document for this, although I do wish these companies would start to make the typeface a little bit bigger. That's my vendetta. I'm on a mission with that, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So very cool. All right, plug it in, and yeah, it looks like there is no tape. That is not tape on the outside of there, guys. That's just the MagSafe thing. So might as well plug it in here and see what we got. Well, my phone is already connected. Oh yeah, so we have a recessed slot for the adapter down the bottom, it looks like. Yeah, so it does go in like so. So we want to angle that in there like that. And then flip it over, and she just said charging Tim's iPhone now. So the iPhone is actively being charged. Let's get the Apple Watch in there. Hey, all right, I've always wanted one of these. Now let's get this up a little bit so we can see that the watch is charging as well as the phone. Very cool. So we're already at 100% here, but I know that it's charging because she'll say, so it's at 100%. So that's why it stopped. Apple Watch is charging nicely here. And let's just see, this phone's almost dead, I think. So let's just see how much juice we have. So at 13%, will it let me charge that here? I don't know. And indeed, so it says it's charging. So very cool. So charge two phones up at once. You can charge your AirPods as well as the Apple Watch. I am absolutely loving this. So thank you, Joanne. Yeah. Very, very, very slick, cool looking device here. And then the oscillation here, I can raise this up substantially. So if you want to, you want to view, oh, and this also pivots. How nice is that? So very cool.
Charging Tim's iPhone now.
So if you want to view your widgets on here, beside your bed and so forth, it'll let you do that. Very cool. Anyhow, that's the unboxing setup and first look at this Mophie iPhone charger with MagSafe. If you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind just smashing that like button, helps out the channel a lot. And I hope to see you in the next video. I do all sorts of videos about tech, and hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.